Hey everyone, I'm Jimo. Today, I'll show you how to knit cherry blossom hearts. Using the SK280 to make them seem to breathe. This could be the knitting tutorial you've ever seen. The most romantic one. Mix cherry blossoms of different sizes with a secret hidden heart pattern. Even beginners can get it right the first time. Now let me walk you through the tools we'll need. We still use a cherry blossom pink and off-white cotton Keurig blend yarn. The yarn is soft and durable, and a single SK280 knitting machine will do the job. Let's dive in together. Set the machine to 120 stitches in the D position. Use the main yarn and the wrap cast-on method to begin. Knit a few rows. Attach the needle comb and small hammer. Then knit back and forth to 16 rows. Set the main carriage cam lever to the fat position. Place the yarn separator 3 needles before the end needles on both sides. Feed the contrast yarn into the second yarn feeder and clip it to the 7th needle right of the center needle. Push the 2 needles to the D position and knit 1 row. Place the contrast yarn under the yarn separator with the main yarn on top. Wrap the contrast yarn near the jacquard position around the needle to secure it. Follow the diagram to push the needles. Then knit 1 row. Secure the yarn around the edge of the pattern. As shown in the diagram, here is the second petal of the first flower. Push the carriage to knit a row. Continuing the jacquard pattern up to the 7th row. Push the needles as per the diagram to start the second flower. Then knit a row. Continue the jacquard to knitting as per the diagram. Work up to the 17th row. Secure the floating yarn. Start knitting the third petal here. The first flower is now complete. Secure the floating yarn every 10 rows. Continue the Jacquard knitting as per the diagram, working up to the 75th row. As per the diagram, the floral pattern spreads to both sides. Push the needles accordingly. Slide the carriage to the center, where there does no floating yarn. Remove the current yarn and replace it with another of the same color. Push the carriage. Follow the diagram to push the needles to the D position. Continue with the Jacquard knitting as described. This is the final row of the pattern. Follow the diagram to complete the Jacquard knitting. Finish Jacquard knitting. Knit the 10 rows in plain stitch. Bind off and remove from machine. Each stitch captures the romance of spring. Who will receive your cherry blossom heart?